Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.
Hello everyone, this is Nita. I'm one of the expert language tutors at Dlschool. So today in this session, I'm going to give you an idea on how to practice reading. So many of the people actually find reading as very difficult section. Why it happens is because, see, when it comes to reading, it is not exactly what you think is being assessed. It is not like, you have to read the whole paragraph and then you have to understand the gist of the thing. No, nothing of that sort is actually being played there. You're actually being evaluated on your ability to to pick out informations, to cut specific informations from the paragraph. Okay, and most of the time I feel that it is more sort of a vocabulary test that you're taking, because most of the time it is your ability to paraphrase or your ability to understand the paraphrases that they have used in there. Okay, so these are the basic steps that you need to understand, and you all know that your reading is a 40 question task divided into 3 different sections, so you can get 3 or more than 3 paragraphs, and you have to complete the whole thing in 1 hour. And so this is the overall view of the reading part, and then the type of paragraphs that you get will be different for both the academic as well as the general candidates, and there is no much difference in the question types. Almost both of the categories get the same similar type of questions, like the true false not given type of questions, then sentence completion type of questions, multiple choice questions, matching the heading type of questions, and all these different types. And I would always suggest that in the initial stages of your reading practice, okay, if you're a person who's actually planning to take the IELTS exam, so you must be practicing. In the initial time, don't keep a time check. Okay, please don't. You don't have to stick on to the 1 hour time schedule. Don't do that. First, you sit thoroughly and then understand the different question types and then try to answer, and then try to cross-check your answers and understand what is your weakness. I mean, which type of question or which question type are you finding it difficult to answer. Okay, so understand that and then try to work on that exclusively that type of questions, so that you are actually improving upon your weaknesses. Okay, some people find matching the headings is like very easy. So in a 40-mark question, so every time they'll be scoring full for the matching the heading. So these type of people, you don't have to waste time on these type of questions. Some people always tends to make mistake with true false not given type of questions. So always pick that type of questions and try to practice. Okay, always follow the correct, follow a proper practice way. And if you're not getting the enough score, if you're once, twice, and after 3 practices you're still stuck on with a 20 or 25 out of 40, then it means that you have to improve upon your reading skill. So just forget IELTS for like 1 week. Just read, just read any type of magazines that you get. Just read through the newspapers, and then try to improve your vocabulary, try to improve your sense of paraphrasing and all these things, and you can, and then come back to IELTS. Then try doing this, and then after slowly you have actually worked on your weaknesses and you have understood your strength, then on the last 2 weeks of your IELTS exam preparation, then you can follow the time schedule and then you can work out. Okay, please never skip from one practice test to another practice test without cross-checking your answer and analyzing your answers. Okay, so that's it. I hope this session was useful. I hope you understood how exactly can you practice reading test if you're a person who's finding it difficult to in this section. And if you feel the same, please do like and share the video. Also subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications.
Amster, your best immigration partner. Dream to fly? Step to Amster.